And we have flexibility and sharpness. Flexibility for the stretching exercises and sharpness for the arm motion because it is important na sharp yung pagtaas ng every arm motion. Okay, so let's move on to the key stage 3, which is from grade 7 to 10. So here we have understanding the basic jumps and body position. So in that stage, in that grade, kaya na gumawa ng basic jumps and body position because nadaanan nila yung stretching and all. So here, dadaan naman sila sa mga jumps. So, yung jumps natin na basic or straight jump, star jump, and our advanced total hurdle, back jump, and side jump. So, ito, isa rin to sa elements of cheer dance, yung jumps na ginagawa nila within the routine or during the routine or minsan sa gitna ng routine. So, jump, and then body position, and this body position, ito yung mga ginagawa ng flyers sa taas na nag-create na sila ng mga body position. And nandiyan na nga yung heel stretch, bow and arrow, scorpion, Y-scale, arabesque, passe position. So, itong skills na to, I think, they can do this at the age of that kasi mas na-build na yung, na-develop na yung katawan nila from stretching to this position because meron silang flexibility and enough strength to do this kind of skills. So, in the basic stance, and we have single man. So, single man, ito yung ginagawa ng mga single lifter, and ito yung skill na ginagawa ng mga flyers. So, for cheerleader na single man, so we have elevator, toss to hand, toss to full, one leg, and then so yan, the basic stance natin sa single man is, of course, isang tao lang yung magdibuhat sa flyers. So, this, I think they can do this for their flyers. Grade 7 to 10, yes, kaya na nila yan. Kaya na nilang maggawa ng basic stance kahit single man. So, basta lang may proper execution, yan, magagawa nila yan. And of course, we have 2 days, we have tick-tock, pick-ups, pull-ups, handstand, and double up. So, here, 2 days, that age and that key stage, natuto na kasi silang gumawa ng, o kumbaga yung strength nila is enough to do this 2 days skills or stunts for the flyers. Okay, kasi meron na silang flexibility. Sa TikTok, ang ginagawa is passe. So, nakabend yung mga knees nila dyan. So, basically, for flyers, kaya na nila. Sa take-ups, we have heel stretch dyan. So, heel stretch na ginawa na natin from baggy position. So, they can do that sa taas. And handstand, of course, kaya nila mag-handstand position. So, kaya na nila sa paggawa nito sa stunts. Double ups din. Dito yung double rotation sa taas. Like that. So, here, it is important to have balance, flexibility, power, core, and coordination. Of course, strength. That's important too para makapagawa sila na maayos. And mabalance, of course, importante ito sa stunts. Kasi hindi sila mapagawa silang balance, maayos sila malaglag or anything. Flexibility, of course, it is important for them para magawa nila yung mga body position. The power, para magawa rin yung mga body position, yung pag-stand alone, of course. Yung core, of course, that is important as well. Of course, the coordination, kung sabay ba yung pag-angat ng paa, pagbaba ng paa, kapag binuhat, tinapa na sila ng boys. Of course, kailangan din nila dyan ng strength para magawa ng bawat skills. Okay, let's move on to the last stage. And the last stage is the key stage 4. Nandiyan yung grade 11 to grade 12. So, dito matututunan sila ng advanced skills because sa 7 to 10 nila, nagawa na nila yung basic and medyo advanced on the way to advanced na yun. So, yes, we have here process, yan, meron tayong backtrack, X-out, and layout. So, this is the basic. So, always remember that we have to do first the basic skills, of course. Kailangan dumaan muna sa basic bago sa advanced skills. So, sa X-out, yan, umiikot na X-out full, and double full, side tummy, pike double, kick double, and front double. So, here, kapag advanced, usually nag-execute na ng mga double full, umiikot na sa ere. So, yan. Sa tumblings, we have standing. Of course, kapag tumblings, daraan pa rin tayo sa basic. Sa standing, meron tayong cartwheel, round off, backhand, and backtrack. Sa series, we have backhand, backtrack, round off, backtrack, round off, layout, and round off, flip. The series, it's basically the combinations of the standing skills or the basic tumblings na gagawin ng mga usually the cheerleaders. Hindi lang siya for boys, of course, for girls din siya. Sa advanced stance natin, we have rewinds, double twist, stance, bow and arrow kick, double, backhand to handstand. So, here sa advanced stance, meron na tayong doubles, may ikot na rin, and dismounts. So, yan. That's it for basically for the grades 11 and 12. We have now the pyramids. Of course, hindi na mawawala yung pyramids. So, kayang-kaya na nilang gumawa ng pyramids because may enough strength and training sila. Nag-develop na yung mga skills nila. And so that, kaya na nilang mag-pyramid. As a team, talaga kailangan ng pyramid sa cheerleading. Hindi mawawala yan, of course. This is one of the most important elements. You have 1-1 pyramid, 2-1 pyramid, 2-5 pyramid, hitch to one man, rewind, shoulder sit, one leg to handstand, eye coordination. So that's it. We have focus fitness component, eye and hand coordination, flexibility, mental alertness, mental strength, muscular endurance, power, and reaction time. So these are the most important components na dapat nandito na. Dapat alert na tayo, tama na yung nasa focus, hindi tayo agit, tama yung ginagawa natin. Always remember our goal to do these skills. So it is important that we have alertness, flexibility, and eye-hand coordination. Lahat yan importante. Talaga para mas magawa natin or mas ma-execute natin yung skills natin para maganda yung performance, of course. Right? So, okay, that's it, I think. So, this training matrix is, I think, just the proper, or I think mas effective siya for those stages. Why? Because we always do the basic skills because hindi naman lahat ng students is, alam na nila agad mag-advance or alam na agad nila yung skills. So, we have to teach in small details, in a small or the basic skills talaga for them to get to the peak na kaya nila gawin hanggang sa stage na or sa skills na kaya na nilang i-perform. At hindi lang basta-basta na-perform niya. For example, talagang dadaan sa basic skill para mas ma-perform mo ng mas, mas maganda at at the same time, mas safe. Okay, so, I think that was the matrix na ito na from grade kinder to grade 12 is makakayanan nila. Sa kinder, kasi we have to, mas basic, mas madali for them kasi sa age na yan talagang kailangan muna, parang nasa process muna sila ng pag-develop it. So, sa grade 4 and 6, ayun, nasa process sila ng pag-understand ng mga sequence na bakit kailangan natin lang gawin yon. So, 7, 10, yun, nag-improve na, nagde-develop na. Nag-i-improve pala, nag-i-improve at the same time, mas na natutulungan nilang mag-explore pa ng other skills. So, yun, in grade 11, 12, nagagawa na talaga nila. So, that's it for this assessment. Okay, this is the children's sport. Okay, thank you.